Hello friends, today we have 3 powered by 2x equal to 2 powered by 3y equal to 5184. Then we'll have to find the value of xy over x plus y. So now our first step, the value of first one, that is 3 powered by 2x, that is also equal to this value. So first we'll write 3 powered by 2x, that is 3 powered by 2x is equal to 5184, isn't it? So it is 5184. So now it is in the form of a powered by mn, right? It is multiplied by 2 and x, so we have written a powered by mn. So this value we can write a powered by m whole powered by n. So here we can multiply the power according to law of indices. So now we can write this as 3 powered by 2 and whole is powered by x, right? And that's equal to 5184. Now here we have 3 square in the bracket. So 3 square is 9. So we can write it as 9 and power is x, and that's equal to 5184. Now we'll have to make it to xy. So here we have power x. So we'll multiply powered by y. Then it will be xy. Now look at here. We'll multiply powered by y. So it is we have 9 powered by x and we'll power it by y. In the right hand side also we have 5184 and we'll have to power it by y. Now again according to law of indices we can multiply this power. So we can write it as 9 powered by xy, and that will be equal to 5184 and powered by y, right? And we'll take this as equation 1. Now moving next, now we'll solve this too. So we can equate, that is 2 powered by 3y, and that will be also equal to 5184. Now here we have the multiplication of power 3 and y, so we can separate it. So now we'll, according to law of indices, separate this power. So we can write 2 powered by 3 and whole is powered by y, and in the right hand side we have 5184. Now in the bracket we have 2 cube. 2 cube is 8, right? So we can write 8 powered by y, and that's equal to 5184. Now we'll have to make xy. Now again we'll multiply powered by x here so that we can make it xy. Now here we have 8 powered by y and we'll power it by x again, and in the right hand side we have 5184 and we'll have to power it by x, so it is powered by x. Now multiplying this power in bracket, so we can write it as 8 powered by xy, and that's equal to 5184 and powered by x. So we'll let this as equation 2. Now moving next, we have two equation, and now we'll multiply equation 1 and 2. So we'll multiply equation 1 with equation 2. Now left hand side of equation 1, that is 9 powered by xy, we'll multiply left hand side of equation 2, that is 8 powered by xy, so it is 8 powered by xy, and right hand side of first equation, that is 5184 and power here is y. Now in the right hand side of second equation, that is we'll multiply, so it is 5184 and its power is x. Now here according to law of indices we have the same power but different base. So means we have a powered by m multiplied by b powered by m. Here we have same power but different base. So we write it as a multiply b powered by m. So here we multiply the base. So now we'll multiply base. So 9 multiply 8 and its power will be xy, and that is equal to, in the right hand side we have same base 5184 and 5184, but its power is different, so it is in the form of same base, means a powered by m multiplied by a powered by n. Here we have same base but different power, so here we write a powered by m plus n. Here we add the power, so here we'll write base is same, so it is 5184, and we'll add the power, so it would be y plus x. Now in the next step we have 9 multiply 8, it is 9 multiply 8 is 72, and we have power xy. In the right hand side we have 5184, so it is the square of 72. 72 square is 5184, so here we can write it as 72 square, and its power again it is powered by y plus x, so we can write x plus y, so we can write x plus y. Now in the right hand side we have base and power, and its whole is powered by x plus y, so we'll multiply these powers. Now look at here, we have in the left hand side 72 is powered by xy equals to, here we will multiply this power, so base is 72 and we'll multiply it is 2 multiplied by x plus y, right? So here we have multiplied this power 2 with x plus y, so it is 2 multiplied by x plus y. Now we have make it in the equation formations, we have equal sign and same base, so we'll equate the power. So here in the left hand side power is xy, in the right hand side the power is 2 multiplied x plus y. So here we'll have to make in the form of xy over x plus y. So we'll divide both sides by x plus y. So it is xy and we'll divide it by x plus y. And in the right hand side we have 2 multiplied by x plus y. And in the left hand side we have divided by x plus y. So we'll divide by x plus y. So in the right hand side x plus y and x plus y, numerator and denominator is cancelled. So now finally we have the value of xy over x plus y, and the value of this is we have calculated is 2. Now the finally we have calculated xy over x plus y. So xy over x plus y and value of this term is 2, and it's our answer of this problem. So friend, hope you have enjoyed the video. Before you leave, please give a thumbs up and do not forget to comment on. Thank you for watching the video.